Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ovintiv. The report was first published on our website April 21, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Ovintiv for the upcoming trading day on Friday 22nd, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Ovintiv performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Ovintiv stock currently holds a 3.255 score, and our system has ranked Ovintiv buy or hold candidate since February 23, 2022. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 33.98% since we first told you to buy Ovintiv 41 days ago. This is an average return of 0.83% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ovintiv our last headline reads, Ovintiv Incorporated stock downgraded to buy candidate. The Ovintiv Incorporated stock price fell by -4.38% on the last day, Thursday, April 21, 2022, from $56.04 to $53.58. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.18% from a day low at $53.37 to a day high of $57.20. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 558,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $213.26 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $57.20, and the lowest price was $21.68. Right now the price is 6.33%, or $3.62, below 52-week high at $57.20, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Ovintiv stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 48.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 42.76% and 57.71%. The 12-month trend indicates a 81.64% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 35.43% and 92.16%. This equals a price between $72.56 and $102.96 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts Ovintiv stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Ovintiv stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ovintiv. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 20, 2022, and so far it has fallen -4.38%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Ovintiv Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $53.60. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $50.71. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 77 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ovintiv. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $46.43 and $41.41. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ovintiv Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $46.43. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.41 and $41.06. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.83 between high and low, or 7.18%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.89%. The stock has a beta of 4.29. This tells us that Ovintiv is 3.29 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ovintiv. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ovintiv currently has a price-earning ratio of 8.63. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released April 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $2.21. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ovintiv meets first resistance at $53.84. If you do not hold Ovintiv shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ovintiv finds first level of support at $46.43, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $53.25, $52.35, $50.89. Sell at $56.18, $57.08, $58.55. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ovintiv is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 18, 2022, Rix Thomas G made an inside sell of 10,000 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, Rachel Maureen made an inside buy of 163 of restricted share unit. On March 31, 2022, Rachel Maureen made an inside buy of 11 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, Rachel Maureen made an inside buy of 57 of common stock. On March 31, 2022, Corey Douglas made an inside buy of 10 of deferred share unit. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -41.829. In total, the insiders bought 100,706 and sold 246,789 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $51.07, minus 4.68%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Ovintiv stock a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 22nd, we expect Ovintiv to open up $1.14 and start trading at $54.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.